Kimberly Turner from cookingwithkimberly.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make kiwi and tiger nuts milk smoothies. Now, tiger nuts aren't actually nuts at all. They're little tubers that grow under the ground. They're vegetarian and vegan, gluten-free, cholesterol-free, dairy and nut-free. This is what they look like, little wrinkly chickpeas, like that. They're great for the paleo diet, Whole30 diet, raw food, especially if you're trying to lose weight. They have resistant starch in them. They are wonderful. Today I'm using whole raw premium organic tiger nuts from tigernutsusa.com. Make sure you check them out for these and their whole line of great tiger nuts products. So I'm going to use about 2 cups of my homemade tiger nuts milk in my smoothies. I'm actually going to make enough smoothie for me and my mom. This might even be more than what I need. I also have 10 to 12 ice cubes in my blender. And I got some gorgeous kiwis from the store, so we have a whole bunch of them. What I've done is I've just washed them, cut them in half, and now what you can do is just scoop out the center. Or you can take a whole kiwi, you can cut that stem part off and the bottom butt end part and throw them in whole. The skins are actually edible and they're fine to eat. They're a little bit fuzzy when you just eat them like this, but if you're throwing it into a smoothie, you might not even notice it. Now, if you're looking for aesthetics and you don't want it to look browny in there, then don't add them. You're gonna have a nice green color. This would be a really cool smoothie for St. Patrick's Day. So just scoop that right into your blender. Don't waste any. This is a really handy way to get your kiwis out really quickly if you're not caring about serving them like in pieces or chunks on a platter. You just want to get the flesh out. As opposed to peeling the whole thing with a paring knife, which can take a heck of a lot longer. Now I'm using my, least firm kiwis because those ones I like to eat raw or put on a nice platter. These guys are also a little bit sweeter than the ones that are more firm. I just love using kiwis for recipes. I think it's a very underused fruit. I just love those little black seeds, those little flecks of black in there, and that bright, vibrant green color. They're so fun. Nice and tangy and sweet. I like to make just enough smoothie for everybody, and then some extra for a top up in your glass too. If you don't want to make your own tiger nuts milk from scratch, Tiger Nuts USA also has their own smoothie mix, which is absolutely phenomenal. Make sure you check out my review on that as well. Into the blender it goes. Blend that up till it's nice and smooth. Now stir that up. Give it a quick taste test. Make sure it's sweet enough for you. If you want to add, you could add sugar or honey or agave nectar to it, even some stevia. Oh, that is delicious. All right, let me show you how I'm going to serve this up. I have 2 cool retro-y milkshake glasses, some green straws, of course. Okay, I'm going to get 2 nice big fat slices of kiwi to garnish the sides of my glasses. When you're cutting into your fruit to put on a side of a glass, don't cut all the way to the center. Cut almost to the center, not quite. Give yourself some leeway. All right, now let's just pour some in. A healthy version of a St. Patrick's Day smoothie instead of maybe a chocolate mint one. I don't like mint much, so this is better for me. Now, if you love smoothies and maybe you can't eat dairy, then this is a great option for you. Garnish with those beautiful, big, chunky slices of kiwi, and you're good to go. There you have it. Look how beautiful that is. Perfect for the spring, St. Patrick's Day, and look how thick and creamy that is. That straw is staying straight up in the middle. One goes to Mom. Oh, it's so delicious. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Is it delicious, but it's also vegetarian, dairy-free, and nut-free, right? Look at that. I love those little specks of the kiwi seeds. Yummy? So that's how you make kiwi and tiger nuts milk smoothies. You can do it too. Check out tigernutsusa.com for all of their awesome tiger nut stuff. Yum. Follow me on Twitter at Cooking with Kim E with a capital E. Like the fan page at facebook.com/cookingwithkimberly. My shows are on iFood TV at my.fossum.tv/cookingwithkimberly, youtube.com/cookingwithkimberly. I have a channel on Roku, Cooking with Kimberly, and I'm also syndicated on Apple TV and Amazon and a few other places. Come to my website at cookingwithkimberly.com and subscribe. Interact with us and let us know what's going on in your culinary world, all right? Be a champion in your kitchen and eat deliciously. Bye.